Alright guys, hey, it's Ken from Rogers Rigs. We're trying something new here today. We have the old Pit Boss smoker that we're going to get ready to go. We've got our pellets where we've got a little over half full. It'll do the trick for today. We're going to try something a little different. Okay, so we've got some jarred jalapenos. I got a 64-ounce jar. This one's from Sam's. It's already sliced jalapenos. We have one strainer, one bowl. It doesn't really matter. I'm not sure if it reacts to it or not, but I don't think it'll matter. It's a silver bowl, big enough to obviously hold everything. And we got ourselves a great cookie sheet cooler, great thing. And we also have one sheet pan. I may also use a little bit of tin foil on the bottom, just so I don't make a mess. And then dump everything, juice and all, as much as we possibly can, out of this jar without losing it in our hand. We're gonna get these all out of this jar and get the smoker ready. We got a special treat. So I got them all on that bottom layer on some tin foil, and I put that rack on top. But pretty much, I'm just going to do a double layer. That's why I've got this here, just so I can get this, let the smoke go through. I'm not really worried about drying them out. I really don't want to. And I believe, if I remember correctly, when you leave things a little bit moist, it actually allows you to get better smoke to adhere. And that's what we're looking for. It would actually help if I plugged in the smoker first. And now we've done that. Apparently, I've heard smokers work better, at least the pellet ones, when you plug them in. Okay guys, as you can see, we've got a double layer of jalapenos here. I got that wire rack in between. I did not touch these with my hands, because I don't feel like making myself cry later when I accidentally forget to, if I didn't wash them well enough, I accidentally get my eyes. But so I put them on with some tongs. That was my easy, quick tip there. And just didn't touch anything except for the outside of the strainer. And we're just looking for smoke. So we're gonna put her on our lowest setting for smoke, right there on the Pit Boss. Can't ask for better than that right there. Pardon me if the phone's a little shaky or there's lack of light, but we got some good smoke going there. I can see that. There we go. That's a little better. Look at what we got there. Definitely appears to be smoky. Let me see if we can give one a try here real quick. Another guy right there. Oh yeah. Definitely can pick up on that smoke. I think we're in good shape. So we're going to take these back inside now. We're going to make them. Alright, let's make a sauce. It's very simple. We're going to take about 1.5 cups of white sugar, and then we're going to mix that with about 1.5 cups of our liquid from the jar. Stir it up. It's ready to go. Next, we're going to add the jalapenos back to the jar. And add in your mixture that we just made. Add back extra juice if needed to cover your jalapenos. Next, take a spoon or some of a spatula and pack them down to make sure they're covered. Clean your jar well and refrigerate for up to 1 week, stirring every day, and they'll be ready. Okay guys, so we're back in the kitchen, and actually we're going to do an update here on our jalapenos, if I can get that in the screen here. We're going to give it a shot. Normally they say to leave them for a couple days and stir them. We did that and everything. We've been enjoying them since. It's almost a month later now. So just wanted to show you guys what we had. So we had a full jar at one point, or close to it, and now we're quite a bit less, as you can see. But pretty much we ended up, they look basically the same. as what they did when we put them in there. And you know, as you can see, they don't look a whole lot different. But I will say this, you can absolutely smell the smoke when you open the jar, and you get that sweetness and everything. So this is something I'm going to put up. I don't think I've seen anything about smoked cowboy candy, so this may be something new, but even if it's not, bottom line is it's doggone delicious. Hey guys, once again, thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. Hope you guys enjoy these videos. Realize it's not your average content that you're expecting here, but winter has not been really great to us as far as weather goes. There's been very limited safe amounts of ice, and so we've had to go and change gears a little bit, and this is what we're doing right now. Hopefully back to fishing sooner than later, but thanks again for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow.